Up YouTube. Mr. Kane coming at you live from the 209. Here are the questions for the day. What is your dream car? Where in the world are there more white people? And where in the world are there more dark colored people? Please answer those questions now and pause the video. Next, here's some announcements. I'm submitting progress reports on Friday. There is going to be no school tomorrow in honor of the people that fought for this country, Veterans Day. Next, here's what we're doing today. You're going to try and explain the benefit of having dark and light skin. And I'm not talking about like white privilege, like white people are more likely to get a good loan. I mean, like biologically, there are benefits to having dark and light skin. And then number two, predict where people with darker skin live on Earth. So our new unit is evolution. And to go over evolution, we're going to talk about how skin color has evolved over time, how it's changed, and why we have now like huge spectrum of skin color. So first, what I'm going to ask you to do, you're going to do some data analysis. So go to Tuesday, evolution of skin color notes, pull it up right here. Where is this particular skin color and adaptation? So where does the skin color give you an advantage? The first four questions right here are going to be based on the two maps. So graph number one, we have UV radiation. I want you to think of UV radiation like sunlight. Try and look at the graph. What do you notice about the graph? Where is there more UV radiation? Where is there less UV? Here's graph number two. It's a little diagram of skin color worldwide. The color in the area will reflect the color of the people that live there. So like you guys probably know, there are more dark colored people in Africa and more light colored people in Africa or in Canada and Europe. So please answer those questions now. Pause the video. Next, read this section about melanin. Melanin gives you your skin color. Please read this section. Pause the video now and read it, and then answer these questions. You should know that melanin gives you your skin pigment. So you should have noticed that darker skin is near the equator, so like in the middle of the earth, which is where there's more sunlight, whereas lighter skin is much more common when you go closer to the north and south poles. Well, there's less sun. Skin color is caused by a few different things, mainly genetics and environment. We're going to go over that a little bit more in a sec. So melanin, what does melanin do? First off, melanin gives you your skin color. So people with darker skin have more melanin. People with lighter skin have less melanin. People that are albino have zero melanin. They're very, very, very light skin. Okay, so I want you to think of melanin as a shield. Melanin protects you from harmful UV radiation. So going sun tanning, for example, induces your body to make more melanin because your body's trying to protect itself from all the UV radiation, which is why people look darker when they're more tan, when they go tanning. Okay, and so more melanin, think of it as a shield. So that's why people with darker skin are less likely to get sunburned. And they're also less likely to have skin cancer. Try and think which of these two girls have more melanin, left or right? So remember, you'll get your skin color from your parents, but you can also tan and get exposed to more sun and have darker skin from that. Or there are some conditions like albinism that'll make you have light skin. Okay, so think UV radiation increases melanin. It'll induce your body to make more melanin and protect itself. Now I want you to think, why can too much sun exposure be bad? Pause the video now and try and think. You should have come up with skin cancer or melanoma. The more sun exposure, the more times you get sunburned, the more likely you are to get skin cancer. That's why it's bad. UV damages your skin. There's also another reason why too much sun is bad. It has to do with folate. Please read this section now and answer the questions about folate. Then stop. We'll finish and do vitamin D on Thursday. Thank you everyone for staying the whole time. Have a great day.